Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create an EndeavourOS bootable USB drive using Rufus.
So let's get started.
To download visit the official EndeavourOS website and click the download button. Initially, you'll see torrent options for downloading the ISO file. As you scroll down, you'll find a list of mirror servers located on different continents. Choose the server nearest to your location to download the ISO file. The latest version of EndeavourOS, released 2024.06.25.ISO. I prefer downloading via torrent as it's faster for me. I'd already installed the torrent client application. Click OK to begin the download. Once the download is finished, the ISO file will be saved in the downloaded directory. First, go to the official Rufus's website and navigate to the download section. Then, select the latest release Rufus 4.5.exe file to start the download. Once the download is complete, the file will be saved in the downloads directory. To create a bootable USB drive, first plug your USB drive into the PC and then open the Rufus application. The USB drive is selected automatically in the device list. Next, in the boot selection, choose the EndeavourOS ISO file. To check my PC target system, I will press the Windows and S on the keyboard. Search for system information and click on it. I found out that my target system's BIOS mode is UEFI. Change the partition scheme to GPT to create a UEFI target system. You can also change the volume label to EndeavourOS. Click Start, then click OK. OK to begin the process of formatting the pin drive and copying all the configuration files. Once the process is done, click Close. Your EndeavourOS USB drive should now be bootable. The drive contains all the configuration files for booting your EndeavourOS from the USB. That concludes the video. For instructions on how to unboot a USB drive after using Rufus Bootable, please refer to the video. I greatly appreciate your support, shares, and subscriptions to my channel.